Draw on photos with Auto Doodle pen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gallery app and click on folder. After click on folder, click on picture and click on this edit icon. After click on this edit icon and click on this emoji icon and click on this pen icon, and you will see, just click and hold, you will see this is auto doodle pen. So click on auto doodle pen and select color. After select color, so create picture, you will see, and you will see. After use doodle pen, click on save. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can draw on photos with Auto Doodle pen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.